Hi, it's Jo from Minerva. Today I'm doing a quick sewing tutorial on how to look after your iron, or how to rescue it if you've had a little disaster. The disasters you might have are you touch the wrong side of some interfacing on the gluey side, so you get it stuck. You get it stuck to different types of debris that are on your fabric, or like I did yesterday, because mine's a cordless iron, it dropped off the power point and landed on the carpet. So I've got sort of melted carpety bits stuck to it. And I want to use my iron because I use it all the time for pressing open all of my seams. So I'm going to try and clean my sole plate. I'm going to use Hemline Iron Cleaner. It's a little stick and it leaves a residue film on your iron, but you do need to make sure that you've got something underneath your iron to stop it dripping. So I've got an old table placemat here and a tea cloth on top, so that when I put the iron stick on, if it drips off, it doesn't drip onto my sewing table. You set your iron to 60 degrees, let it warm up. You can take the stopper off, and it's like a great big prick stick. There we are, look. And you're going to put a thin film over the plate of your iron. Like this. Now you need a cloth to rub it, especially any areas that you know have got particularly sticky bits. I've got a very light scourer. I don't want a strong scourer, and you don't want your cloth to be wet, because if it's wet it will conduct the heat really quickly. And I'm going to wipe the sole plate. I've got a little bit there that's definitely very sticky. And I've got all the bits off. I've got a little bit there, but that's been there a long while, so I'm going to leave that because that's obviously set on and it's not transferring to my clothes. If you've got a steam iron, it's now advisable to fill up with water so that you can push some steam through the holes to make sure there's none of the iron cleaner sat in the holes, or you haven't disturbed any of the sticky dirty bits into the holes of the iron. I'm going to wait for that heat up and give it a steam. Before I try it on any of my beautiful fabrics, I'm just going to clean out the steam holes on this tea towel. And aren't I glad I did, because that has come out of the steam holes and I wouldn't have wanted that on my fabrics. We get it up to really high temperature now, up to max, and just keep pushing the water through the steam holes. And that's your iron ready to go now for your next sewing project.